this is nice, isn't it, love? Look at the missus all relaxed. Dogs are relaxed. Why we've set the awning up for 3 nights when this is the first full day and we've only just set it up. Anyway, car's there. We've got this lovely little grassed area. Feet up at Plas Farm in North Wales near Abergele. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but the farm is actually in Betws-yn-Rhos. That's probably nothing like what it's supposed to be pronounced, but there you go. This is day 2 of our little weekend away at Plas Farm near Abergele in North Wales. We had a little bit of a relaxing day yesterday, but we've come out to this beautiful place. It's by Penmon Lighthouse. The sun's shining right in my eyes, so I can't even see if the lighthouse is behind me, but it's behind me there somewhere. It's an absolutely stunning place. I think that's called Puffin Island behind me. Beautiful day, hardly any wind, reasonably calm sea, and we've got the beautiful Wales behind us. And I'm going to put the drone up now. Hopefully we'll get some really nice shots of the island and the lighthouse, and there's a few sailboats and that behind me, so I could get some really nice views, some nice shots with the drone, so stick around. Penmon Point and the lighthouse. We're now going to head off to the old brickworks just further up the coast, so we'll see you there.